What's going on YouTube? It's Jayyduty here. Now this is the correct way how to manifest. Now if you're a person that's trying to manifest your dream life, watch this video. First of all, my nigga, you got to open up your imagination because imagination is creation. I'm going to tell you what I mean, okay? You know when you think of something big, you feel something right here? Like think of $1 billion right now. Yeah, you feel that though. It's like, oh, whoa, what's going on? Hold on. You feel like you're not worthy enough. That's the thing. That's what keeping you in a goddamn trap. That's what keeping you thinking, I can't manifest anything. Imagination is creation. The more you open up your imagination, the more you're going to start creating the life that you want, okay? The thing is, you put your desired life on a pedestal like this shit is above you. Bro, this shit not above you. It's right here in front of your eyes, bro. It's just materialistic things. It's not that big of a deal. You get what I'm saying? Like, once you start looking at it like that, you're going to start manifesting effortlessly because it's really not a big of a deal, dog. Like, it's just a piece of paper. Like, dead ass. It's just some materialistic thing. You think, oh, me being in a mansion, I'm not worthy enough for that because of the location I was born in. Nah, bro, it's not even where you came from. It's who you are in eternity. So as long as you change the internal world, you'll start to manifest things in the external world because what's projecting on the inside reflects on the outside. So before you get wealthy, you have to feel wealthy. Like you got to genuinely know that, dog, I am worthy enough to make $100,000 a month. You get what I'm saying? It's simple like that, bro. Like manifestation is so simple because all you got to do is control your thoughts. Now, I'm going to tell y'all niggas something, bro. If you a person that want to manifest the desired life that you want, stop smoking weed, bro. That's literally what make you feel like you just insecure. It just make you feel like you just not good enough. It's that weed, bro. You know, when you smoke weed, you start thinking second about your life. Like, damn, am I good enough? Bro, what is my future is going to be like? You start getting anxiety. You don't have to stop smoking weed. That's why I stopped smoking weed. Because, bro, you really doing good, but you just in your head. See, once you in your head 24/7, you gonna start thinking second about your life. Like, damn, bro, I don't got this yet. I don't got this yet. But you ain't even being grateful for what you already have. Bro, how God gonna bless you with the life you want if you're not even being grateful for the things that you have now? Like, dog, you probably got a whip. You probably got your own crib, but you still complaining. Like, oh, I don't got this. Like, bro, be quiet and just be grateful. Show gratitude, my nigga. You get what I'm saying? Like, you already got to be grateful for what you already have, bro. Like, simply do that, my nigga. Nah, another thing, too, bro. You got to speak life into yourself. Like, you got to tell yourself, I ain't rich. I ain't wealthy. I ain't wealthy. I ain't wealthy. I am abundant. Like, you got to repeat that affirmation on a day-to-day basis. Like, not just 10 minutes a day. No, nigga, do this all day. Nigga, when you in school, I ain't rich. I ain't rich. I ain't rich. I ain't rich. I retire my mom. I got a Lamborghini outside. I got a Lamborghini outside. Like, whatever you want, just say this shit 24/7. When you in work, say this shit. You get what I'm saying? Nigga, when you talking to people, nigga, remind yourself that you are wealthy. Like, talk to people like you are wealthy. Walk like you the wealthiest individual. Like, don't walk like you ain't got nothing in life. And don't think, don't think poorly about yourself. You know what I'm saying? Because a man is how he think, okay? So, man, you got to understand, dog. What you think will literally manifest into this physical reality. Before it's physical, it's spiritual, bro. So, you got to control this, my nigga. Like, what I recommend you to do, literally, is get a pen and paper and write down what you want and write down what you don't want and pay attention to the things that you want. The reason why you feel like, well, Jayyduty, my life always manifests as bad things than good things. That's because you always focus on bad things than good things. Write down what you want and then focus on the things that you want for the next 30 days. I dare you to do that. I dare you to do that. Everything I have in my life right now is because I prayed for it. My girlfriend, nigga, I prayed for her. Nigga, the thing is, dog, you don't even got to pray. You just got to simply just think. You just got to simply just think about the shit because when you praying and you getting on your knees, it's a form of begging. God don't want you to beg, nigga. He ain't put you here to beg for some materialistic shit. Nigga, that's why you ain't got your desired life because you keep on putting it on a pedestal. This is how you is. You just begging like, God, please, please. I know I'm just doing fine. I'm financially unstable. I just want some money. I just want, like, no, get your ass off your knees and just speak into your life. Speak shit into your life. I am wealthy and it's not even a big deal. I'm going to be all right no matter what. Like, you got to work, bro. You got to pay attention to them triggers that's in your heart. Like, if you're a person that got some childhood trauma, dog, You're going to have to accept it, forgive it, and move on so you can better your life, bro. That's all it's about. Bro, your trauma, them blockages in your heart is really stopping you from getting this desired life that you want. You got to start paying attention to yourself if you want to manifest the life you want. You got to start paying attention to your emotions because your emotions are signals. Like, you got a right to feel, but you ain't got a right to act on how you feel. You got to start reacting. Like, you just so reactive towards things. Like, when life don't go your way, you like, oh, why does it? And you start tweaking out. You start to throw temper tantrums and shit like that. But that's not good for you because, dog, it is what it is, bro. Everything passed, nothing never lasts. So if you a person that's down in your life and you feel like, bro, I'm financially unstable, understand, dog, that's not going to happen for the rest of your life. Understand, this is just a journey. Like, the thing about manifesting, bro, you're going to have vulnerability. Like, it's going to be days where you're going to feel like you're just not good enough. It's going to be days where you're going to feel like, damn, bro, I should have done this. It's going to be days where you feel like, dog, I am abundant. I am everything. You're going to be happy. And that's just life. You just got to accept it. Everything passed. Nothing never lasts. Nigga, everything is just temporary. The situation you in is just temporary. This is not permanent, dog. You just got to accept it and grow from it. And it's just telling you parts about your subconscious mind that need to be healed. Another thing about the subconscious mind. Bro, when you go to sleep, listen to affirmations every single night, dog. What I like to tell myself when I go to sleep, I am rich, I am wealthy, I am everything. I am rich, I am wealthy, I am rich. I like to tell myself that, okay? Let me explain to you about the subconscious mind, okay? Bro, your subconscious mind is basically like a projector. Imagine if everything you think about manifests into your life. That's literally the subconscious mind. Like, your subconscious mind is damn near your brain. Like, that's damn near the projector of your life. So how your life is because how you thought before, okay? It pretty much like that, dog. So when you listen to music, that destruct your subconscious mind too. When you listen to other podcasts that has nothing to do with what you want in life, that destruct your subconscious mind too. So you got to program your subconscious mind how you want your life to be. So if you want your life to be wealthy, you got to program your brain to think wealthy. Like, you already got to know that you are wealthy. Like, you got to visualize the life that you want. Like, damn near, like, nigga, while you just sitting in class, you gotta visualize, nigga, I got $100,000 right here. Like, it's literally $100,000 right here. Like, every time I open my Cash App, nigga, I'm getting surprised because I see $100,000 in my goddamn bank app. Like, you gotta already visualize it, bro. Like, like everything you have in your life, you already visualized it. You just don't care for it because that's just how life is. We don't really give a fuck. We only give a fuck about things that we never have. You get what I'm saying? But the things that we do have, we tend to not give a fuck. So how about being that type of vibration that I don't give a fuck about wealth? I don't give a fuck about a Lamborghini. I don't care. I mean, it's good to have it, but I don't give a fuck about it. That's a form of detachment. See, once you detach from the material world, this is where it's going to attract to you because you don't give a fuck about it. You get what I'm saying? Like, you got to stop giving a fuck. Like, that's literally how you manifest. I can just end the video right there. Like, you just got to stop giving a fuck. Nah, I am in my mama crib right now, but the next 5 years, nigga, I see myself as a successful YouTuber and I'm making millions of dollars a fucking month. I don't care. You get what I'm saying? Like, I don't even care about it. It's just me. That's just who I am. I am naturally a millionaire. I think like a millionaire. I genuinely feel like a millionaire. Like, I swear to God, on everything I love, I feel like a millionaire. Bro, before you attract something, you already got to feel it. See, the reason why you in a situation you in right now, because you felt like it. So your reality is just matching what you feel inside. That's all it is. So you got to change what you feel inside. That's all it is, dog. It's really that simple. It's not that hard. Now, you got to understand that you are the only person in your brain. You are the only person that has control over your brain. Nobody else but you, okay? You're the only person that sees what's in your brain. So like I said in the beginning of the video, imagination is creation. So you can imagine what the fuck you want because this is just you and nobody can see your point of view. So nigga, just go crazy with the things that you want in life. Like, think about anything you want in life. And understand, I don't have to feel insecure about what I think because I'm the only person that see how I think. That's why I think about whatever. That's why I don't care about if I think negative or positive because I don't have a valid reason to think or feel. Now, when you think like I don't have a valid reason to think, you're going to naturally start to clear out all them negative blockages in your head and start to become who you want to become because I don't have a valid reason to feel. Like, even if I think positive, I don't have a valid reason to think positive. I'm just here. Like, I'm just present. You get what I'm saying? You got to start to focus on the present moment, dog. You got to start to be grateful for everything you have in your life, dog, because life, it can get tough, bro. It can, my nigga. And it is what it is, my nigga. As long as you just keep pushing and keep a abundant mindset, my nigga, that's the only thing that matters, my nigga. You gonna get through it, bro. Hard times build character, my nigga. You gonna get through it. Don't ever think, oh, this is just permanent. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh, trust me, you know what you gonna do, dog. You gotta ask yourself, like, how did I get in this situation? What was my thinking to lead me to this situation? Like, what did I do to put me here? And just learn from your mistakes, dog. That's all it is, my nigga. You gotta just learn, my nigga. Like you pretty much just gotta just learn about the things that you want. Like, if you want wealth, learn about wealth. Learn how you can become a successful YouTuber. Learn how you can monetize your channel and how you can just be wealthy. Like, just learn about it. You gonna get it, my nigga. If it's a desire in your heart to get something, you're going to get it no matter what. That's just how you're going to think, bro. Like, that's just how you have to think if you want to get anything you want in your life. You just got to already program yourself to, nigga, I'm going to get it no matter what. No matter the circumstances in my life, I'm going to get what I desire. And you just go get this shit. Now, the thing is with manifestation, you have to take action. You can't just be thinking. And you know one thing about manifestation, bro? It requires small actions. You don't even got to do a bunch of shit, bro. Like, we've been programmed to think, oh, we got to do this. We got to finish school. We got to go to college. We got to work 16 hours a day doing some shit we don't like to get $1 billion. Bro, we don't need to do that, bro. We can just do the things that we love and just stay consistent on this shit. And then we got to desire life right then and there. But you do have to take action. Like, you have to get up every single day knowing what you want to do to get to your next goal. You get what I'm saying? Because fuck a dream. Nigga, we have goals. Dreams is just a form of goals. That's literally how we create our dream life, by finishing goals. You get what I'm saying? And take small steps, bro. Why would you take big steps? You got to understand, dog. This is small steps right here. Why would you take big steps? Eventually, you're going to get tired. If I'm taking big steps, I'm doing this. Boom, 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 boom. I'm wasting time and energy. I'm going to feel shitty already. And by the time I get to the finish line, nigga, I'm going to be dead, nigga. Because I've been taking big steps my whole damn life. If you just take motherfucking small steps, this is how it's going to be. Nigga, you going to get shit done fast enough. Boom, 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 boom. Like, look, nigga, small steps. And you still going to get there, though. You still gonna get there, but it takes delayed gratification. Now, the reason why it takes longer for you to get there is because you actually following the success guideline. Like, that's what I like to call it, dog. You actually getting shit done. Nigga, you leaving no crumbs on the goddamn table. Nigga, you cooking it, you chefing in the kitchen. So, of course, it's gonna take a long time for you to get there, because good things take a while, especially if you trying to build generational wealth. Oh, trust me, dog. It takes delayed gratification. Just be patient and just love yourself during the journey. Don't focus on the end results. Focus on the journey, bro. Like, pay attention to the journey, bro. Like, if you want to pretty much manifest a lot of subscribers, or you probably trying to monetize all your social medias, enjoy the journey, my nigga. Keep making videos. Enjoy how your videos are. Enjoy you getting better at your videos, and just write goals and just enjoy yourself, my nigga. Don't worry about the end results. Worry about the journey. I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.